Do you know about HappyMod? And want you know how can HappyMod on your iOS devices? Now, on this video HappyMod on iOS. Can you install HappyMod on iOS? Yes or no? HappyMod has designed to Android devices, because on this HappyMod, you just found the APK modifications files. If you want to install on your iOS devices, you just need IPA files. Can you install HappyMod on iOS? The answer is, you cannot install HappyMod on your iOS devices. If you find another content about HappyMod on your iOS, I think is not true, because HappyMod just available and working on Android devices. So if you want to try install the HappyMod and try to download, you can see seamlessly like this video notification about HappyMod is a PK files. See, you can't install HappyMod because it is a PK file. But on iOS, you can install mode tweaks with another tools files without HappyMod, because HappyMod can work on iPhone. I will give you another tools like HappyMod. Like you can use HappyMod and tweaked apps. This is HappyMod. HappyMod offers a variety of tools for you to use on your non-jailbroken, jailed, or jailbroken iPhone or iPad or Apple Silicon Mac. You can follow this video, link on description. We have more videos about installs tweaks apps on this video. Or you can click this video for more information about installations of tweaks or mod apps on your iPhone. On this, HappyMod iOS cheat engine provides many features such as exact, fuzzy, nearby, and group searches. It also has a memory browser and the ability to batch modify results, lock values, favorite addresses, and more. All of these features work on your jailbroken or non-jailbroken device. So you can't install HappyMod directly on iOS, but you can find another solution tools like HappyMod apps on your devices on this channel tutorial video. For more, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you next to another video.